Hi, good afternoon, everybody. It's morning where I am. I'm in Seattle. That's not Seattle behind me. That's a fake thing, but I'm in a hotel room. You probably don't want to see the inside of a hotel room, but there you go. So I just wanted to send a quick little video about K to 8 virtual schooling. I've seen a couple comments where um, ideas where it's only really appropriate at the high school level, which I can agree with you if you look at one particular model. So if you're looking at a self-paced model where you may have gifted kids who are very familiar with with virtual schooling, very good at online, knowing how to navigate and such like that. But it's important to know that there is a lot of K to 8 virtual schooling and early childhood K to 3. And the way that that works is with facilitation. So in the middle school grades, it's almost like high school. Most of those kids have it, and they can do it. We did it a lot when I was with the Louisiana Virtual School. The younger kids definitely set this up in almost a homeschooling type of situation where you do need to have a parent at home with the kids. And the instruction is at that point, about 90-10, meaning 90% of the instruction is taught by the parent or the learning coach, as they sometimes call it in schools, and then 10% is done by the teacher. And then the role of the online teacher is assessment, is working with the parent to set up a model plan for teaching for the kids. So it's parent teaching under the direction of a master teacher, if you will, and then all the assessments. So they work together in concert. So, the parent almost takes the role of a teaching assistant. And then there are opportunities for live streaming, the feedback, lots of videos from the teacher. So it's all about the instructional design. And then as the kids move up in grade level, so once they get into, fourth, fifth grade, then it becomes about 50-50. So the kids start to get more adept at online. They're not working with their learning coach or parents as much, and a lot more of it becomes more traditional. And then we scaffold that up into the middle school where it's almost 100% online with the teacher, and then obviously into high school as well. So that's a little bit of an explanation of how that works. If you have any questions, just reach out. Great start so far, everybody. Take care.